Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a butterfly mandala. For this you will require a compass, an eraser, a pencil and a ruler. So let's start by making a line at the center. I'm making a 13 centimeter line over here. Like this. 0.5 centimeter, 1.7, 2.7, 2.9, 3.9, 4.1, 5.1 centimeter, 5.3, 6.3 and 6.5 centimeter. I'm making the mark on the upper portion of it over here like this. Now using a compass, make a circle passing through each point over here. Let's sketch up the butterfly. Over here make its head and make its body like this. Then make its wings over here this way. Make the bottom one as well this way. Make sure that the lines are very flowy. Now make its inner design over here following the outer design. Here as well at the bottom. Now divide the inner portion of the wings into these sections like this. Here as well. Make the veins on her wings like this over here. Now over here add a leaf. Add her antenna. Add another leaf on this side like this. Add veins on the leaves as well. Few leaves at the bottom too. Start making design for this over here. It's kind of like a flowery design over here. Make sure each petal is of the same size. Now make a line at the center and a dot at the top. Over here again you repeat the step like this, but this time the petals are a little closer to each other. The center again you make a line, but make a circle in one and a point in one. Do it alternatively for this portion here. Over here you make hills like this or a zigzag line this way, making proper hills. Again, make sure that you have equal distance in between them. For the next design over here, make a swirl and add leaves like this, another swirl and leaves, and this way you continue the design to the end. So we are done with the sketch. Now using a black gel pen, outline everything that is there on the paper. Up this portion to enhance its look. Portion over here you make lines like this and repeat the steps for each of these blocks in this portion here. For this area you make lines like this. use a black marker and fill up the spaces in between these designs like this. Over here as well. It. Now let's move to the coloring part. I'm taking Gamboge hue color for this area over here for the inner side of the wings. Sap green color for the leaves. Next, take black color at the end and color its body and the wings. And that's it. We are done with our picture.